A blank screen on your Honeywell thermostat can be alarming, but in most cases, it's caused by something simple. Let's go through step by step to figure out what's going on and get it back to working condition. First, check the power source. If your thermostat uses batteries, carefully remove it from the wall and replace the old batteries with fresh A or AA batteries depending on your model. After swapping them, snap the thermostat back in place and see if the screen lights up. If it does, great, you're done. If it's hardwired and draws power directly from your HVAC system, check your circuit breaker. Look for any tripped switches, flip them off, wait around 30 seconds, and then turn them back on. This often restores power to the thermostat. Next, check for any float or safety switches. Many HVAC systems have these to prevent water damage. Go to your air handler or indoor unit and inspect the drain line or drain pan. If the float switch has been triggered, clear any clogs or empty the drain pan so the system can safely restore power. Another common cause is the furnace or air handler door. These panels often have a safety switch that cuts power if the door isn't fully closed. Open the door and then close it firmly until you hear a click, signaling the switch is engaged. If your thermostat supports it, try a reset. Some models have a small reset button inside a tiny hole that you can press with a paperclip for 5 to 10 seconds. If there's no button, simply remove the thermostat from the wall for 30 seconds and then reattach it. This can often clear minor glitches. Also, if you're comfortable, inspect the wiring. Carefully pull the thermostat off the wall and check for loose connections, paying special attention to the C wire, which typically provides continuous power. Make sure all wires are secure. After going through these steps, if the screen is still blank, it's possible the thermostat itself has failed. In that case, replacing it might be the easiest solution. And remember, if any of this feels too technical, especially when dealing with wiring, calling a licensed HVAC technician is perfectly fine. It's better to be safe than risk damaging your system. Finally, a few extra tips. Sometimes simply leaving the thermostat disconnected for a few minutes can allow its internal circuitry to reset. Also, ensure your HVAC system itself is functioning normally, as a completely dead system may prevent the thermostat from powering on even if it's fine. By carefully following these steps, most blank screen issues can be diagnosed and fixed quickly without needing major repairs.